Arjun, yet so close, yet so far. How do you describe your day?
Shitty day, disheartening for sure, very disheartening. But I would say that it is what it is for today. If it was meant to be, it would have happened. And somewhere I believe in luck. It was not my day. That's all.
Arjun, there's a lot of focus in India now on Olympics. We are also looking forward to host the Olympics in 2036. What do you think is the need of the hour, hosting the Olympics or having focus on athlete development as well?
I think it can go side by side, and I'm very proud of the way Sai and NRA have been working on the athletes. I think each and every demand is getting noticed, and they have been working really hard on us, and we are getting what we need. So that can go side by side, and we can also bid for the 36th Olympic. It will be really good for India, I feel.
अर्जुन जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस था और एक शॉट की वजह से इंग्लिश का
पहले इंग्लिश
करेंगे.
Arjun, tough luck. You met Abhinav after the competition. Just tell us about what.
So he was proud to see me shoot like that. He said it's tough for sure to deal with, but then I have to just accept it and move on, and it will help me in the future, and it will make me stronger for sure.
Thank you.
Arjun, right now India has a fantastic pool of young shooters and medal has been started. So what do you find the reason behind that we are doing so well in the shooting?
We have great shooters in India, first of all, and some of them are not even here, but they are great. We have the right equipment, knowledge, technique, and the right motivation, I would say, and we can do even better than this, and the future is bright for shooting from India.
Arjun, I just wanted to ask you, you're of course disappointed and dejected, but how do you, switch off from something like this and then tell yourself what you have to do to try and get back to the sport again?
This one day doesn't describe me or my shooting, of course. Then I'll switch off for a while and then come back with the better energy to the lane.
Arjun, what is the lesson that you will take from this campaign?
No matter how hard you try, even if you put 100%, I learned that you can't say that you are going to win today. Of course, you can go for it, and you have to try your best. So that is the learning.
अर्जुन, जिस तरीके से एक शॉट की वजह से मेडल हाथ से छूटा पूरा, लेकिन जो परफॉर्मेंस था ज़बरदस्त था. और परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या कहेंगे? ओवरऑल मेडल तो छूटा, लेकिन वो कहते हैं कि मतलब इस परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव्स थे.
डेफिनेटली आई एम प्राउड. जिस हिसाब से मैंने स्टार्ट किया एंड जिस हिसाब से मैंने प्रिपेयर किया था, वो सब चीज़ें काम करी, एंड काफ़ी सालों की वो जो मेहनत है सभी की, कोचेस की भी, एंड जो टेक्निक हमने डिसाइड करी है, टैक्टिक्स बनाए थे, वो सब काम कर रहे थे. एक शॉट कह सकते हैं कि डिसाइडिंग शॉट था, जो काफ़ी चीज़ें बदल सकता था, लेकिन वो मेंट टू नहीं था. सो बाकी चीज़ों के लिए मैं प्राउड हूँ.